Up next, let's talk about an upcoming event that the university is hosting. If you're a cattle producer looking to learn the latest when it comes to research and management practices, you won't want to miss this year's Gudmundsen Sandhills Laboratory Update. Located in the heart of the Nebraska Sandhills, the Gudmundsen Sandhills Laboratory plays a crucial role when it comes to cattle production practices and research. Market Journal's Bill Dodd brings us this story. Bill?
When it comes to animal education, the University of Nebraska has several facilities around their campuses that teach students and professionals alike. But one research facility in the Sandhills truly stands out. That's the Gudmundsen Sandhills Laboratory. And your chance to see it in person at this year's Gudmundsen Sandhills Laboratory Open House is coming up in August.
This is Sandhills Laboratory. It's a 13,000 acre plus ranch in the heart of the Sandhills that lays right over where Cherry, Grant, and Hooker County come together. It was donated back in the 80s to the University of Nebraska Foundation, and then UNL leases it, and they do, the focus is on cow-calf systems research, wildlife research, water research, rangeland research, just anything you can think of. It's probably been researched at Gudmundsen. We feel like this is a great way to showcase what's going on at Gudmundsen, showcase the research, maybe showcase some of that research that's been taken to the extension level and used on local ranches. 2026 has been especially tough for that part of the state, and we kind of want to talk on that too. Gudmundsen's currently facing some of the worst drought it's seen, and so we want to talk about not only drought, but unfortunately the wildfire recovery as well. Just there's a lot of challenges in our area out there this year, and so we're also probably going to talk about that this year.
During this day-long event, producers and ag professionals will have the opportunity to see the latest research developments coming out of the Sandhills-based research facility, and even get a few hands-on educational experiences.
We will probably have a market update and a weather outlook with Eric, which we really appreciate him coming out to do. A highlight we started a few years ago was adding interactive sessions, and this is just where we kind of open up the area for about an hour and a half. We have different topics at different areas around the facility there at the Wagon Hammer. People can come and go, interact, ask questions, get that one-on-one interaction with our specialists on a wide range of topics, anything from fly control to virtual fencing to weather to getting your cows pregnant. Another thing is we end the day now with research updates, and we do just short little blurbs about the research going on at Gudmundsen. And then we bring all those presenters back, and we do what we call a bullpen session, which are kind of well known at the range beef cow symposiums. But we allow the audience to ask any and all questions of the presenters, and we kind of go till that ends, and then we wrap up for the day.
While this event will draw many Nebraska producers, the data and information yielded at this facility will be in value to participants, regardless what state they reside in.
Well, we like to think the research taking place at Gudmundsen is very applicable to other Sandhills ranches and even beyond the Sandhills. We've done some groundbreaking research in calving date work that started back in the 90s. That continues on. Gudmundsen they have a March calving herd and a May calving herd, so we're constantly comparing that whole system, whether it be developing heifers or feeding out the steer progeny. We think what we do at Gudmundsen is applicable in the real world.
While 2026 has certainly been a challenging year for many producers in the Sandhills, the lessons learned at this particular event will certainly impact how producers make future decisions and help bolster their operations. Reporting for Market Journal, I'm Bill Dodd.